Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to create a love heart and a silhouette Cupid for this Valentine's themes full set. These are the three colors I'm going to use: Pillar Box, Cerise Black and Snow White. So now I'm going to apply my first color, Pillar Box. I'm going to do 2 coats of this color and cure each one of them for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply Snow White on my middle finger. And again, I'm going to do 2 coats and cure each coat 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use Cerise Black to make my heart. Start with a straight line, then curve to create one side of the heart. And repeat the process on the other side. Filling the center with the color. And cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to do my Cupido. First, I draw a round circle to make his head, or like a head. Then draw his body. Draw his first leg and draw his wings. Fill the body with the color. Now I'm going to draw his second leg. And his arm. I'll give him some hair. Now I'm going to draw the bow. and I'm gonna put the arrow as well. Flash cure for 10 seconds. With the dotting tool, draw 2 dots to make a small heart and flash cure. Repeat the same process to do a small heart in the sky. And draw some new heart on the index finger. Back to the heart, draw some thin lines using Snow White gel polish with a detail brush. Now flash cure. I add a little bit more to the design. And again flash cure. Now I'm going to outline with the white gel polish.
Brian Little.
Then flash cure. Now I'm going to add some dots with the dotting tool. Using a detail brush, I will join the dots. And now I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna add some more heart to my pinky finger using Snow White gel polish. And the Sirius Black on the thumb. Put it in a lamp for 30 seconds. Now the design is finished, then I'm going to top coat all the nails. Cure 60 seconds. So now I'm going to apply pink pineapple cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video will be in the description box down below. Until next time, au revoir!